Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can disable or enable JavaScript on your Google Chrome browser. So in case you don't want to use JavaScript on your Google Chrome browser, then how you can disable the JavaScript. Firstly you need to go to your Google Chrome browser. So this is the interfaces of Google Chrome browser. So what you need to do here, you can click on three dots here. You can go to settings. Okay, then what you need to do, you have to go to privacy and security. So go to privacy and security. Then what you need to do, you need to go to site settings. So then here, as you can see in the content option, you will see JavaScript. So as you can see, this is an option called default browser sites automatically follow the settings when you visit them. So for me it is selected sites can use JavaScript, and here is a option after this, don't allow sites to use JavaScript. So if you select this option, then the JavaScript option will be disabled. If you select this option, the JavaScript option will be enabled. So this is how you can enable or disable the JavaScript settings in your Google Chrome browser. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.